In our school laboratory, dangerous chemicals are stored in locked cupboards. But sometimes, a student might open the cupboards without supervision, and that could be risky. That's when we thought, what if we could create our own smart alarm system right here at Maker's Place? A space where ideas turn into real working projects. So today, we're designing a security alarm circuit using our Basics of Electronics kit. A simple yet clever setup that automatically rings whenever the cupboard is opened. To make this project, we'll use the following components. Battery block, to provide power. IC block, the brain of our circuit. Connecting wires, to complete all the links. Loudspeaker block, to produce the alarm sound. NPN transistor, to act as an automatic switch. Resistor block, to control current. Let's start assembling the circuit in order. Connect the battery block to supply power. Add the IC block to process signals. Connect the loudspeaker block to produce sound. Attach the NPN transistor, which will control when the loudspeaker turns on. Finally, connect the resistor block to protect the circuit from high current. Use the connecting wires to link everything together, and our circuit is ready. Now it's time to test our security alarm. Carefully connect the black wires between each block to complete the circuit. Once the black wires are connected properly, the current can flow through the setup. When the circuit is triggered by a wire break, the IC sends a signal and the NPN transistor allows current to reach the loudspeaker. The loudspeaker immediately turns on and rings, acting as our security alarm. This shows how a combination of IC, transistor, resistor, and speaker can create a working alert system just like real alarms used in buildings and labs. Through this project, we learned how each component in the Basics of Electronics kit plays an important role in building real-world electronics. Excited to build more? Join our Basics of Electronics course at Maker's Place. Get your Basics of Electronics kit and many more STEM learning kits at Edu Marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more creative and educational project videos.